The sun rises over the hills, casting its first golden light on a kiwi orchard. This is a world of green, quiet, and promise. Cool air and gentle mist linger between the rows of vines. Dew sparkles on every leaf, reflecting the new day. The vines stretch out, heart-shaped leaves forming a lush canopy. Only the soft buzz of an early bee and a distant bird break the silence. In this calm, the story of the kiwi fruit begins. Each fruit holds the taste of sunshine and the care of many hands. The orchard is a living, breathing ecosystem, nature and nurture in harmony. Soil, air, and light work together to create something wonderful. This is not just a farm, but a sanctuary where patience and the rhythm of the seasons rule. The orchard holds its breath in these early hours, a moment of pure potential. Soon, the day will grow busy, but for now, there is only calm. It's a reminder of the simple, powerful forces that create our food. Here, every kiwi's journey begins in the quiet magic of dawn. The morning sun slowly warms the vines. Dew nourishes the leaves. Everything works in harmony. The orchard is a testament to the beauty of the natural world. This is where the journey of every kiwi begins. In the stillness, nature's story unfolds. The day is just beginning. The orchard is alive with possibility. And so, the journey starts. Kiwis grow on strong woody vines, climbers that twist and reach for the sky. Farmers build pergolas, creating shaded tunnels of dappled light and hanging fruit. These vines can live for decades, becoming a permanent part of the landscape. The valley's warm summers, cool winters, and rich soil make it a natural haven. Clean air and pure water from nearby streams are essential. This unique blend of climate and geography gives the fruit its sweetness. In spring, new shoots emerge, followed by delicate, cream-colored flowers. Bees move from flower to flower, pollinating and ensuring the next generation of fruit. It's a dance between plant and insect, a beautiful cooperation. As summer progresses, flowers fall away and tiny fuzzy fruits begin to grow. They soak up sunlight, drink the rain, and draw nutrients from the soil. Farmers watch patiently, knowing good things take time. The vine is a slow, steady worker, turning sunlight and water into something delicious. Each season brings new growth and new promise. The cycle continues year after year. The life of the vine is a story of resilience and quiet strength. Every kiwi is a product of this patient process. The vine's journey is the heart of the orchard. For these farmers, growing kiwi is a tradition, passed down through generations. They know each vine's needs and rhythms, tending them with care and respect. This is a partnership with nature, not a factory. Daily, farmers walk the rows, checking leaves and feeling the soil. In winter, they prune the vines, making way for new growth. In spring, they thin the buds, sacrificing quantity for quality. Every action is done with a gentle hand. They avoid harsh chemicals, encouraging helpful insects and building healthy soil. This slower, attentive approach results in healthier orchards and better-tasting fruit. The connection between farmer and vine is the orchard's heart. The farmer provides what the vine needs, the vine returns a bountiful harvest. There's quiet pride in nurturing life and land. It's a legacy of stewardship, ensuring the orchard thrives for generations. The gentle, human touch is the secret ingredient. Every kiwi carries the story of this care. The farmer's work is a promise to the land. The land answers with abundance. This is the art of growing kiwi. Autumn brings crisp air and golden leaves, the signal that the fruit is ready. Harvest here is a careful, almost ritual process. Farmers know that how the fruit is picked matters as much as how it's grown. Each kiwi is gently twisted from the vine, cradled in the palm to prevent bruising. The fruit is placed one by one into shallow crates, never tossed. This protects the delicate skin and soft flesh within. The crates fill with a beautiful bounty, a testament to the land's abundance. The colors of fruit, wood, and golden leaves create rustic harmony. For the farmers, it's a quiet celebration. The harvest is a promise fulfilled, a year's patience and care rewarded. Every kiwi carries a piece of this place. Morning dew, summer sun, rich soil. Most importantly, it carries the story of the people who grew it. Their pride, tradition, and gentle touch are in every bite. The journey from orchard to table is remarkable. Each fruit is a small treasure. The harvest is more than a task, it's an art. The story of the kiwi ends here, but its flavor carries the orchard's legacy. From dawn to harvest, it's a journey of care. The sun rises over the city, painting the sky in soft hues of pink and gold, and slowly awakening the world below. Its first rays cast a golden light on a bustling market, where the day's possibilities are just beginning to unfold. Vendors call out with cheerful greetings, their voices mingling with the laughter of early shoppers. The air is alive with energy, a symphony of sound and movement that signals the start of a new day. Amidst the vibrant chaos, a small kiwi sits quietly in a wooden crate, almost hidden among the morning's excitement. Its fuzzy brown skin hides a world of bright green within, a secret waiting to be revealed to those who look closely. Around it, tomatoes glisten with dew, spinach piles high in leafy mounds, and the sharp, sweet scent of citrus fills the air, mingling with the earthy aroma of fresh produce. The kiwi's humble appearance stands out among shiny apples and smooth bananas, a quiet contrast to their polished perfection. Yet, it holds a unique promise, a sweet, tangy treasure waiting to be discovered by someone willing to look beyond the surface. The market pulses with life as people search for freshness and flavor, weaving through stalls in pursuit of the perfect ingredients for their meals. Each fruit tells a story of patience and growth, nurtured by sun and rain, shaped by the hands of farmers who have tended them with care from seed to harvest. The kiwi, a small player in this daily ritual, has traveled far to be here, across orchards, through careful hands, and finally to this bustling market. It waits for its next chapter, part of a grand tapestry of nourishment and community, ready to become a part of someone's story. The sounds of the market form a symphony, celebrating the connection between land and people, between tradition and the promise of something new. The kiwi is more than just a fruit. It's a symbol of this connection, a reminder of the journey from earth to table. It's a perfect package of natural wonder, ready to bring joy and nourishment to whoever chooses it, promising a burst of flavor and a moment of delight. In this market, every fruit has a purpose, every shopper a story, and every choice is a celebration of life's simple pleasures. The kiwi's journey is about to begin, as it is chosen and placed gently into a bag, ready to continue its adventure beyond the market. Its presence is quiet but significant, a small but vital part of the day's unfolding story. Soon, it will leave the market behind, carried away to a new home, where its journey will continue in unexpected ways. Its story is just one among many, but today, it takes center stage. The adventure starts here, in a world alive with color, sound, and endless possibility. A family arrives at the bustling outdoor market, a mother, father, and their curious child, all drawn in by the vibrant colors and lively sounds. The air is filled with the scent of fresh produce, laughter, and the gentle hum of conversation. The child's eyes widen as they spot a crate of kiwis, their fuzzy brown skins standing out among the other fruits. With a sense of wonder, the child points eagerly, reaching out to touch the unfamiliar texture. The mother leans in, carefully picking up a kiwi. She turns it over in her hand, examining its surface, searching for the perfect balance of firmness and softness that signals ripeness. She gently presses each kiwi, feeling for just the right give beneath her fingertips, a subtle art learned over years of experience. This simple act is more than a routine. It's a ritual, a skill passed down through generations. The mother quietly explains her method to the child, sharing wisdom that connects past and present. The vendor, standing nearby, watches with a sense of pride. He knows the care that went into growing these fruits, and he's pleased to see them appreciated. The mother selects a few kiwis, placing them gently in her basket, each one chosen with intention and care. The child observes closely, absorbing the lesson, learning not just about fruit, but about making thoughtful choices and valuing quality. The kiwi is no longer just another fruit in the pile, it's been chosen, set apart by a moment of attention and care. Its journey shifts from the lively public market to the quiet intimacy of a family's home, ready to play its part in their daily life. The family moves on, their basket now filled with kiwis nestled among other fresh finds, each item a promise of meals to come. The market's noise fades into memory as the fruit enters a new chapter, the kitchen now filled with the quiet anticipation of home. Now, the kiwi becomes part of a personal story, a family's love for good food, shared moments, and the simple joy of preparing a meal together. The act of selection bridges farm and home, connecting us to the earth and to each other, reminding us of the journey every ingredient takes. The kiwi's purpose is clear: to nourish, to delight, and to bring a touch of nature's sweetness to the table. It's a small but vital link in the chain of life, a reminder of how food connects us all. The family's choice gives the kiwi meaning, turning an ordinary fruit into a cherished part of their day. Its adventure continues, now woven into the fabric of daily life. Enjoyed at breakfast, shared at the table, remembered in stories. The market is left behind, but the memory of selection remains. The journey moves forward, and the story of the kiwi lives on in the hearts of those who chose it. The journey home is gentle. The basket of fresh produce rests in the car. Sunlight warms the kiwis as the world blurs by. The kiwi transitions from commerce to comfort. At home, the basket is carried into the kitchen, the heart of the house. The air smells of home, filled with memories of past meals. The kiwi is placed in a fruit bowl joining bananas and apples. It becomes a centerpiece, a splash of color in daily life. Family members pass by, admiring the fruit's quiet presence. The kiwi ripens, waiting for its moment to shine. It observes the family's routines, laughter, and connection. Evening falls and the kitchen glows softly. The kiwi rests, full of potential and promise. Its journey from vine to market to kitchen is a testament to nature's cycles. It's a quiet hero, linking the family to the earth's gifts. Soon its purpose will be fulfilled. The stage is set for transformation. Morning light fills the kitchen. A new day begins. The father selects a kiwi from the fruit bowl, feeling its weight. The kitchen becomes a place of transformation. Today, the kiwi is the star ingredient for breakfast. He rinses it, then places it on a cutting board. With a steady hand he slices it open, revealing emerald green flesh and tiny black seeds. The sight is a reward, a vibrant mosaic of color and texture. The sweet scent fills the air, promising a tangy taste. He scoops the flesh from the skin, placing it in a bowl. The transformation is nearly complete. The humble fruit reveals its spectacular inner world. It's ready to be combined with other ingredients. The kiwi's journey from market to kitchen reaches its turning point. Soon, it will become part of something greater. The moment of creation is here. Making the morning smoothie is a family ritual. The child stands on a stool, eager to help. The father adds the kiwi to the blender, the foundation of the drink. The child adds spinach, deep green joining vibrant green. A banana follows, bringing sweetness and creaminess. A splash of milk completes the mix. Each step is a lesson in flavor and teamwork. The blender whirs, swirling colors into a smooth, creamy liquid. The child watches, mesmerized by the transformation. In moments, the ingredients become one, a vibrant green smoothie. The aroma is fresh and inviting. The smoothie is poured into glasses, ready to be enjoyed. The kiwi's transformation is complete. From market fruit to the star of breakfast, it's now a source of nourishment and joy. The family prepares to taste the result of their shared effort. The glasses are set on the table, sunlight making the smoothie glow. The morning air is filled with a gentle warmth, and the kitchen feels alive with anticipation. Each glass, brimming with vibrant green, promises something special, a taste of freshness and a moment to savor. The child lifts a glass, anticipation in their eyes. There's a sense of wonder, a pause before discovery, as if the first sip might unlock a new favorite flavor or a happy memory. This first sip is the culmination of the kiwi's journey. From orchard to kitchen, every step has led to this moment of tasting and sharing. The child tastes, eyes widening in delight. The cool, creamy texture surprises and delights, a burst of flavor that dances on the tongue. The flavor is sweet from banana, tangy from kiwi, a refreshing surprise. Each ingredient shines, blending together in perfect harmony. The kiwi's unique taste brightens the smoothie, awakening the senses. Its vibrant green color is matched only by its lively flavor, making every sip feel like a celebration of nature. The father smiles, sharing the moment. There's a quiet pride in seeing his child enjoy something healthy and delicious. He sips, savoring the vibrant flavor and the connection with his child. The smoothie is more than a drink, it's a bridge between generations, a simple act that brings them closer. This is more than breakfast. It's a shared memory. Laughter and conversation fill the room, turning an ordinary morning into something extraordinary. The simple act of drinking a smoothie becomes a cherished ritual. Each clink of glasses is a small celebration, a promise to enjoy these moments together. The kiwi has brought joy and togetherness to the table. Its journey ends here, but its impact lingers in smiles and laughter. The glass is empty, the energy fuels the day ahead. The family rises, ready to face whatever comes, nourished and connected. The kiwi's journey is complete, from market to memory. Its story is woven into the fabric of the family's morning. Food does more than sustain, it brings us together. It's the backdrop for laughter, for stories, for the simple joy of being present. It creates moments to share and remember. These are the memories that last, long after the meal is done. The taste of kiwi lingers, a reminder of nature's gifts. Its freshness stays with them, a gentle nudge to appreciate the little things. The family is nourished in body and spirit. The kitchen, once filled with anticipation, now glows with contentment. The power of food is in these simple joys. It's in the laughter, the togetherness, and the love that fills the room. The story of the kiwi is now part of their story. Each breakfast, each shared meal, adds another chapter. The day begins full of promise, with hearts and bodies nourished for whatever lies ahead. The kiwi story continues beyond the family kitchen. In the hands of chefs, it becomes a culinary masterpiece. Its brilliant green and black seeds make it a visual delight. Chefs slice it into perfect discs or cubes, showcasing its beauty. On pavlovas and tarts, kiwi adds color and tangy flavor. It balances sweetness, creating desserts that are both stunning and delicious. In savory dishes, kiwi's acidity tenderizes meat and brightens salsas. Its versatility inspires creativity in the kitchen. From simple fruit to star ingredient, the kiwi shines in every dish. Even the humblest fruit can become high art. The kiwi is more than delicious. It's a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with vitamin C, it boosts immunity and skin health. Its fiber supports digestion and helps you feel full. Kiwi also provides vitamin K, vitamin E, and potassium for heart and bone health. Each bite delivers a blend of nutrients that support overall well-being. Low in calories, high in benefits, kiwi is a smart addition to any diet. Enjoy it on its own, in smoothies or salads for a tasty health boost. Nature's design makes the kiwi a perfect package of wellness. Eating kiwi is an easy way to care for your body, a small fruit with a big impact. The kiwi's journey from vine to table reflects our connection to nature. Every fruit has a story, of growth, harvest, and travel. Appreciating this journey turns food into a source of wonder. Food brings people together, from bustling markets to family kitchens. The kiwi sparked a cherished family ritual, a simple smoothie, a shared moment. These small acts are where food's true magic lies. Gratitude for the earth and those who bring us food deepens our appreciation. Choosing a fruit becomes an act of thanks for nature and community. The kiwi's story is a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Sweet taste, vibrant color, and shared meals enrich our lives. It reminds us to slow down and savor the everyday. Nature's gifts are all around, waiting to be enjoyed. With wonder and gratitude, we nourish both body and soul. Even a single fruit can teach us so much.